more
Yeah,
time.
go on. Just select the add voucher again.
Yes. And
Go
Contra.
to the Contra.
Yeah,
It's kind of similar with the journal.
yes. Only thing is it's bank and other item.
Yeah.
Let me just okay, it's date and bank and select debit as okay. I can select the contra, then I can select the date, then I can select the ledger credit amount drop down. I can input the amount and I can select the ledger from debit. What should be language here? Like it's a little different, right?
Which one?
Like when we go to the credit amount drop down, we choose for bank and then put the amount. I can select the, like here, I want to show you from here, just a second. If you go here, you see credit ledger accounts, we select bank and then we put the amount. Then here we select cash because that language has
Actually,
to be.
you can select any laser here, right? So that's why we put there that we can select and I can select the laser because any laser could be select there. We cannot
So,
specify any laser so that it will be like specific, right? So
okay,
that's why to make it open, we are just putting that we are selecting the laser.
yeah.
So like it could be any laser could be select.
Then I can select the ledger from top down. I'm should I
Yeah, I think these steps are good.
okay.
Laser from the credit account drop down. Okay, yeah, from the from no from so that you can okay say that and I can select the credit ledger from the drop down.
So that I can select the credit ledger from the drop down.
Yeah.
Okay. So that I can select the credit ledger from the drop down and I can input the amount. I can select, I write debit ledger here, okay? I can select the debit ledger from the drop down. Then I can input the amount and I can input the description and I can click on the save button. Then it should appear, it should create a contra voucher.
Yeah.
So that is successfully done for the ad voucher. All the we did receipt, payment, journal, and contra. We have other functionalities too, like
Okay,
trial
so yeah,
balance.
those functionalities will be your like what it calls like will be your action items. Okay.
Okay.
So let me show you some of the action user installation, some of the functionalities so that you guys can watch this and you can just
Practice. We, as you
write the user
mentioned, that
stories on those.
we have to thoroughly explore this app so that
Yeah,
we
this app
can.
and also the Agile ALM also. You guys also have to be very good on the Agile ALM, like where you can create, where you can actually select these, where you can do that. You have to actually know all the things about the Agile ALM. Okay,
Okay,
it's very
let me
important
write
because
down.
Agile ALM is your tools where you
Yeah.
are actually going to do all the things. So if you don't know about the Agile LM
So this
very
one,
well, if you don't know
agile
about your
L,
project management tools, so it will be a red flag.
LM and TS for your accounting is the two most important application we have to explore thoroughly.
Yeah. Okay, so let me show you. Let me share my screen and then show you. Wait, hold on. Let's go to there and let's go. Okay, then go to the bio. Oh, dashboard is working, not the bio actually. Okay, limited. So here, on which you what it calls the functionalities, you can write the user stories. So like you can write the user stories on these, like you can check, you can filter out in the specific date. Like let's say I want to see only, I don't want to see all the like transaction, I only want to see only the last month's transaction, so that I can select the 1 to 31, like the date of the last month, and then just close it, and here it's showing only the last month's transaction. See, just only
Also,
1 month
that's
transaction.
the you can check through calendar time, specific time.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. So this is the one thing you can do.
Yes,
Then another one you can do, like here, you can, if you go to the edit, or if you go to the add voucher, so here
yes,
you can see that you can click on the preview. Okay,
yes,
so here let's do this. So first of all, let's say 2000, and the date is selected. Let's select a laser, and here also put the 2000, and then if you click on the preview, see, it's showing you like this,
yes,
the preview. See the bank, this is the laser, and this is the amount. This is the
yes,
date, this is the number, received bank voucher, this is the logo, and here all the things. So you can see also the preview. Okay.
yes. Review.
Then also this one. So preview, for the preview, you can write a user story. For the print, you can write another user story. For the email,
Print.
you can write another user story.
Yeah,
Okay.
print.
Maybe
Yes,
these buttons are not working, but at least you guys
yeah,
explore yourself. Like you guys think about yourself. Like, okay,
yeah,
if I want to email this, so what should be there? What step should be there?
yes,
Okay. These will be the
yes.
enhancement stories. Okay, like you are enhancing.
Enhancement.
uh, Yeah. So these are the user stories you can do. Then you can write another user story for the laser, add a laser, primary laser, secondary laser. You can create multiple laser here. Okay.
Yeah,
And here you can create the primary asset. You can primary liability. You can create another one for the primary income. You can create another for the primary expense. Okay.
yes.
That
It's
means
a
for,
lot of activities you
yeah.
can.
Then you can select the create the secondary laser. Then you can search by the description, or let's say bought a laptop. Okay, let me see if
Yeah,
it is working or not. See, it's working.
yes.
So you can search the
Not to buy
transaction, so you
item.
can, yeah, so you can search the you can search the transaction by their description or by their reference ID. Like if I
Yeah,
put here 12, just the reference ID, let's see.
yes,
See, 12 is showing. So that means the search is working. So you can write another user history for the searching.
yes,
And like you can also select in the searching, you can select the like specific, like all type. So it will show you all the type from there, or it will show you if you want to select only, like let's say you want to see
yes.
on the
It's
journal.
type whether it was
You can
journal,
also
contra,
select the
payment.
journal. Yeah. And you also do the ascending, descending, those things. Okay.
Yes,
So these
plenty of
things you
work.
can do into the search. So this on this search, you can write a single user history. Okay.
Yes,
Then another user history you can for the delete, another user history you can for the edit, another user history you can for the print.
delete, edit,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah. So then another user history you can for like to check the trial balance. Okay. So
trial
in the trial
balance.
balance, you can see the trial balance. It should show all the like account group and all the expenses with the amount, proper amount. Okay. See,
Yes,
So these all are the actually amount it's showing. So if you expand this, if you collapse this, you can see. Okay,
Yeah.
then this is the profit loss, and for this profit and loss, you can write another user story that you can view the profit and loss for the current year. Then you can view the balance sheet for the current year. Then you can also ledger. You can write another user story for the ledger management. Here, okay, you can edit the ledger. You can delete the ledger. This one you can write another
Yes.
user story for the edit ledger, another user story for the delete ledger. You can another user story for the export ledgers, right? And
Yes.
you can actually write here three user stories, one for the export as JSON, another
Yeah.
one is for export as CSV, another one is for the export as XLSX.
That
Okay,
means we
these are
have
the
to
three file format.
click every button and explore
Yes.
and find
Yep.
out where we can write user stories.
Yeah, then you can write another user story for the print all the lasers, see.
Yes.
Okay,
Many
then
numerous uh, functionalities and user stories could be written.
yep. So these are the actually here in this on this page, and in the settings. Settings is not working. If you go to the dashboard, in the dashboard you can write a user story to update the uh, profile information, like update your name and the last name. You can also write another user story for update the profile picture. You can write
Yes.
another user story for give the access permission. See, so
Yes.
here also some other user stories. So this is how like you can add so many user stories and like write the user stories on this application. So these are
And
the these are the user stories will be the existing functionalities. Okay.
okay. And some are for enhancement. What I'm going to
Yep.
do, as you suggested, that we have to first know and learn these apps, Agile ALM and the
Yeah, this is
PS4U.
mandatory. This is
Yes, because
mandatory. Yeah.
I admit that really did not explore this app, so we are kind of
Hmm.
lost. First, today,
Hmm.
tonight, I'm going to explore this thoroughly, and then since this workshop is recorded, I'll go over your instruction and start writing the user stories based on your the action item you gave us.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, thank you
So
so
yeah,
much.
also sit with the Amrita and also no, I mean collaborate with her also. Okay,
Yes, yes,
so that you
definitely.
guys can be on the same page. Okay,
Yes,
so this one is for your action items. Let me stop